One night of you.
Happy birthday, Keisha!
Nak, mag-aral ka mabuti. Wish ko sa'yo, sana makatapos ka sa pag-aaral at lagaan mo sarili mo.
Just have been you passing by unbeknownst to me. Life is emotionally abusive and time can't stop me quite like you did. And my flight was awful. Thanks for asking. I'm unglued thanks to you. And it's like snow.
Happy birthday, ate! Sana palagi kayong ligtas. Saka palagi kayong matalino at sana po busugin niyo po kami. Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, Apo. Pagpatuloy mong pag-aaral mo para matupad mo ang ambisyon mo. Love you!
Like snow on the beach. Like snow on the beach. Like snow. This scene feels like what I once saw on a screen. I searched for a borealis queen. I've never seen someone lit from within. Blurring out
18 ka na, adult ka na, pwede ka nang magdesisyon para sa sarili mo. Good health lang palagi, Ning. Sana hindi ka nagkakasakit at syempre, makapagtapos ka sa kung ano man ang gusto mong matapos. Sana wag ka ring makalimot na humingi ng gabay sa Panginoon at lumingon sa kung ano man yung pinanggalingan mo.
It's like snow at the beach. Weird but fucking beautiful. Flying in a dream. Stars by the pocketful. You wanting me tonight feels impossible. But it's coming down, no sound, it's all around. Like snow on the beach. Like snow on the beach. Like snow on the beach. Like snow. I can't speak, afraid to jinx it. I don't even dare to wish it.
Happiest 18th birthday, Keisha. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Keisha!
Happy
birthday, Keisha!
Hey!